We would like to raise voices, and we wanna say stop and enough is enough for for all the violations to the human rights in Tunisia as we speak, and all the genocide that had occurred, since 1986, and we would like to come together and invite the international community and bring attention to the United Nations that this is ridiculous in 2011, killing innocent people, and it's a genocide, and it's all we can say. It's a mess. It's a complete mess, and we definitely need the interference of the international community, to step forward and to show us a sign that we truly live in a world of human rights. And if people by hundreds are killed, are slaughtered, are facing slow death, whether in jail, whether outside the country, and we want to stop this, and we really urge the international community to step forward and come together and bring peace to Tunisia, to all Tunisians, and specifically to the Arab nation, that this is a sign of betrayal for all Arabs and for all Muslims. And if this is not the time, you can go ahead and tell me when is the time to interfere and stop the killing of hundreds of innocent people without arms, without any means of defending themselves.